I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. Back a year ago.
Hey guys, it's Troy with DIY Home and Auto. So, hope you enjoyed the video thus far. That part where you saw the spark plug wires going in, yeah, you can just ignore that. I thought that I had the motor set to top dead center, but I forgot that I had cycled the engine a couple times. So it is not set to top dead center, so all that has to be redone. Anyway, this video is about putting the engine bay of Midnight Maroon back together. As you can see, I'm up to my elbows in brakes. That's on Wallace the 66, so be sure and subscribe. Working on a 66 Ford F250 as well as Midnight Maroon, which is a 79 Ford F250. So lots of projects going on. Me and Tavish are just going to continue working on the engine bay, putting radiator hoses and that sort of thing back in. We did quite a bit of work off camera, putting the radiator support in. You saw us trying to get those radiator support bushings out. I ended up using an air chisel to get those the rest of the way out. We fought those and fought those. We were doing it the not easy way to begin with, to say the least. We fought those things for quite a while before we figured out what was needed. So, but anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Be sure and like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Do all those things. Love you guys. So now that it's starting to get dark sooner, we're gonna start working a little later. Well, it's also getting warmer, which is also nice. But we're gonna start working later into the night. Odelphi was kind enough to send us some LED little headlamp thingies. Perfect time to test those out as it's starting to get dark. They sent one for me and one for Tavish. We'll leave a link down below. Haven't used them yet. Give you an honest review when after we test these things out. There you go.
I didn't know about these.
Say what?
I didn't even know about this.
I know. Oh, gonna need that. Oh, I dropped it. That's bad. That's way down there. Oh my gosh, I can't pick it up. Charging cable.
Hey, a discount code.
Alright, let's see what we got here. I don't know if these are charged enough to do any. Oh, yes, they are. Woo! Alrighty then.
What's this thing? Is that light too?
Look. It's the light. It is the. Ah!
Bobby? I thought it was. Oh.
I can't see. Okay, there we go. Whew, got to adjust it for my head.
Oh, I was thinking this was the light. Oh, that's crazy.
Didn't read the rules at all. We're just kind of going for it. Adjust the strap so it fits my head a little better. Good thing it's charged because we have work to do. Where's my on-off button? Hey! Whoa, that is really... That's really bright. Oh, hecka yeah. Now I can crawl under the truck and do what I gotta do. Let's turn this off real quick. Okay. So, what we're doing right now, Tavish is hooking up the battery. We put the oil filter on. We've got all the electrical connected, I think. At this point, I think. We just put an inline plastic clear fuel filter on it so that we can see fuel, see any garbage that's being sucked up in. When I was putting the oil filter on, I realized that I hadn't connected the pickup line from the fuel tanks up to the fuel filters, or fuel pump, I mean. So that's what I'm going to do right now. That's why I need this, is because it's getting dark under the truck and I can't see. Gonna do it. Well, don't want it so tight it pops your head off.
There we go.
Alright. Blinded! Alright. Blinded by the light. This is the first. You haven't taken a ride on this thing yet. It's so fun. That's amazing. It just goes right on like butter after putting that stuff on.
Okay.
Huh?
I said okay.
Okay. Alrighty then.
Now what?
Do you want to clean the inside of the cab? Get a bucket of soapy water and just kind of sponge bath that whole thing. I already blew all the crap out of it. And then it'll need to dry, and then we'll use rust converter on the floor just to give it an extra coating.
You already welded this one side?
Yeah, that side's done. Tavish working into the nighttime. Cleaning the inside so we can get a fresh coat of paint down, treat it, and then start putting soundproofing in. Alright, thanks for watching. In the next video, Tavish is going to really get started on that interior of Midnight Maroon. He's going to be welding in the floor plans, basically getting the floor ready. We're going to do soundproofing. There will be a carpet kit in there eventually. Anyway, stay tuned. You're going to want to see that. In the meantime, I got to get back to work on these brakes. These are not going to finish themselves. Wallace the 66 out in the backyard. So if you're interested in that type of thing, be sure and subscribe. Ring that bell so you're notified of future videos. And we'll see you guys in the next video.